started doing small overlap front crash tests on the passenger side because we had noticed that some automakers who had improved protection on the driver's side were neglecting the passenger side. We wanted to put them on notice that we expect the same protection for both the driver and front seat passenger. The Ford Explorer is rated poor overall for small overlap front crash protection on the passenger side. The big problem is structural. This portion collapsed more than a foot toward the passenger, severely compromising the survival space. In crashes like this, we see a higher risk of injury. In our case, we saw forces measured on the dummy that are consistent with broken bones or dislocations of the right hip and lower leg.